If you suffer from a dry pout like me, try Babe Glow. Babe Glow has a lip mask that has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and rosehip oil in it, guys. This is just an overall fantastic product. I have been using this on and off, and I can't believe how soft it makes my lips. So it comes with this little applicator, cute little spoon. You just scoop a little bit out, just like that. Don't overdo it because a little bit goes a long way. And you just apply to your lips. Got a little out of hand there. But yes, Babe Glow lip mask. Put it on when you go to bed at night and just leave it on. It will, like when I wake up in the morning, I still have a little bit left on my lips. That's how great it is. It locks in the hydration. Check it out, Babe Glow.